During the time of President Duterte, I would have to say na marami doon sa listahan kaya hindi sila naging na botas na overcome ng iba dahil marami ako nakitang problema sa mga landed reports ng that administrations before nung panahon na yon. Just give you an example. Ang inaalaw lang namin ngayon is lahat ng in-unload sa na actual figure na in-unload sa PFDA, fishery reports. Nung previous bago ako pumasok, they were allowing unloading in private ports na kung sino lang maglista-lista. At ang rami kong tinanggal na listahan dahil maraming kalokohan. Sa totoo lang, nung panahon before my time sa importation ng isda. And ayoko nang sabihin kasi meron din isang congressman na humingi sa akin ng maraming allocation at hindi ko pinagbigyan ng isda. At ang pangalan nun, Saldico.
All right. But very clear, no? Okay. Sige pa, you mentioned Congressman Zaldico. So, do you have more information about that?
Well, I only have personal knowledge on the 3 companies he wanted me to give allocation kahit na may formula na kami. Hindi ako pumayag magbigay ng kahit isang container sa kanya sa 3 nominated companies niya. At ang isang kumpanya doon, pangalan pa, ZC Victory Fishing Corporation.
Do you feel that there is a conflict of interest there?
Hindi naman. Ang sinasabi ko lang, we were being forced at that time to give him 3,000 containers of fish, which I did not agree. Well, pinipilit na kami mag-issue ng import permit while we already have a formula, no? Which ito nga yung formula na lumabas, and it is very clear na fair to sa scientifically, the data speaks for itself. At kaya kong tindigan to.
But you have did you actually issue it or no? Did you issue po the request?
No.
All right.
No.
Thank you.